Hi, today we're at the Design Pataki office and I'm really excited because we've had Pico Stone come in and automate our entire space. It's amazing because I can control my lights, the AC, the fan, all of it at the tap of a button on my phone. It's that simple. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is for them to come in and automate any space for you. It's really easy to use the Pico Stone app. All I have to do is open the app. I've got each area segregated, so you have the cabin. I tap on it and you have different modes or scenes as they like to call it. So you have an all on, all off. You can create your own preset like a movie mood or a shoot theme like how we've done for today. You have your air conditioning, I have my panels, I have my switches, the fan, and what's amazing is you can even dim the fan. You can reduce the speed, you can dim the lights, all of it. I'm going to show you the AC as of now. The remote is really cool. It literally looks like my AC remote. So I've got the fan which I can control, the temperature. I'm going to turn it up right now. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. It's got modes, it's got a swing, everything. And what's amazing is I can also control what the rest of the office is doing. So if somebody has left the AC on or off, I can turn it off. So I'm saving electricity at the same time. There you go. The installation process is really easy. The Pico Stone Basic allows you to control your lights, fans and other switches and fits right behind the switchboard. Whereas the Polo allows you to control your remote controlled IR devices like AC, TV, etc. It's an easy plug and play process. The Polo plugs into the socket while the Node sticks on your appliance that you want to control. It's that simple. What's also really amazing is that you can use it with Alexa. So today I have Dhanushri from Pico Stone over here who's going to help me and take me through how to go about using Alexa and controlling my devices with it. So Dhanushri, here's my phone.
Yeah, sure. So I'll just set it up. It's like a 5-minute process and you can just then use all your appliances with your voice.
Okay.
So you just be like, Alexa, turn this on, turn that on.
Oh wow, that easy. So what's step number 1? I download the app.
Yes, you download the Alexa app, you
Right.
configure the same login as you do in Pico Stone, and then you're good to go. It discovers all your devices.
So we just hit on.
Yes, and now let's try it out again. Alexa, turn the fan off.
Okay.
Yeah, so it works like that, and you can probably say things like, Alexa, goodbye. So it's going to turn everything off.
Oh, wow.
And you can also say things like, Alexa, movie time, and one statement is going to, probably drag your curtains, it's going to dim your lights, it's going to control your AC, your TV, set-top box, everything to that mode that you need.
That's amazing. That's like out of a movie. So everything just by the word of that one word. Alright, amazing. So Dhanushri had a few questions. Like everyone else, I'm a bit technologically challenged. So I was hoping you could clarify those. So Dhanushri, one of the questions is this energy saving? I believe it saves around 20 to 30%.
Yeah, so along with controls, we also give energy savings on your ACs. So we cycle between your AC and your fan to maintain a given temperature. So if it gets like really cold, we probably turn off the AC or move it to a higher temperature and then turn the fan on, or we cycle just with the ACs as well. So what it does is at night, especially when you like wake up to you're feeling really cold. So what we do is that we automate that entire system, so it gives you like unbroken sleep along with energy savings.
Oh wow! So you can turn it off in like 2 hours or 3 hours. You can set it up. So after 2. So you don't use that extra air conditioning time.
Right.
Oh, that's amazing. The other question I had is, can I use this from outside the house or outside the office?
Yeah, definitely. You can use it from anywhere. All you need is an active Wi-Fi connection.
So Wi-Fi, 3G, any internet
any
connection. And I can be anywhere and I can turn things on and off.
Yes.
Oh, wow. And my last question is, how are you different from other companies, other automation companies out there?
Right. So if you see any international brands, they are a lot more expensive than our solution.
Right.
Point 2, they require a lot of rewiring solutions. So when you can do it only when you're renovating. With our system, you can do it even when you're probably, it's a retrofit system, your house is all done, you can still automate your home. That being said, we also do a lot of renovating homes. So we collaborate with a lot of interior designers to, since a modern home today is not finished without an automation system.
Right.
So yeah, that being said, we also do retrofit homes where your home is all ready and we don't have to rewire, we don't have to break anything, and we just probably install our devices behind your switchboard and you're good to go.
So that also explains the installation process
Yes.
as well,
Yes.
that we don't need to break anything and it's very simple.
Yes.
I mean, I know it's simple, but I'm guessing this is for everyone else. And the other question is, can I use this without Alexa?
Yeah, of course. So Alexa is just an add-on.
Alright, amazing. Thank you for clarifying those. I think I had those circling around in my head somewhere. What I'm really proud about is PicoStone is 100% made in India. You can head across to any Croma store across India to pick up one of their products. Also, they're available on picostone.com and they can come over and help you with a free demonstration of their products. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful.